Hi, I'm working on my Triumph Spitfire. Here's my HS2 carbs that I've been rebuilding, and I discovered that there's a bushing missing right here and right there, that where that attaches to the jet. There's supposed to be a brass bushing in there, and it's missing. I tried ordering one, finding one. Nobody has one. I went down to the local hardware store and I found this. Got a collar on it. It's obviously for furniture or something, attaching. And this is pretty close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck it up in the drill and take it down to this is a number 6 drill. I'm going to take that outside diameter down to a number 6, and make my own bushing, and then I'll cut it off. So I'll just get my size here and then check it up in the drill bit with a number 8 machine screw in it. So there's my size. Okay, there we go. With my poor man's lathe, I chuck this up in a drill and then use the file on the surface to reduce the diameter. Okay, now there it is, and this will now fit in here nice and snug. So I'll go ahead and take a Dremel and just cut that off, and that'll give me my bushing. I found on my TR3 when I was doing my jet, doing the same kind of linkage on the jet, that if all the linkage wasn't tight, the jet wouldn't retract all the way, and it would stick and all that kind of. So I marked it with a Sharpie, and then I'll put it back in the drill press and cut on the black line with a Dremel cutoff wheel. Okay, by chucking this up in the drill and holding the Dremel to it like on the side, I was able to cut it off. It's going to need some cleaning up with a file or something, but I got the basic idea. Okay, now I'm going to take a file and clean that last little bit up off the top. Okay, here's my cleaned up bushing, and it fits in there nicely. It sticks through a little bit. Maybe I'll leave that on there just as a little bit of a spacer between the metal sides, and I think we're good to go. Here is a before and after shot. So the purpose of my channel is to document things that aren't in the manual. You cannot buy the little spacer that goes here anymore. It's a little brass spacer, and so I made my own. I went down to the hardware store, bought this, and then created this. I'll need 2 of them. So anyway, if you appreciate this, please subscribe and like it. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I never thought I'd be there, because I was just documenting my own stuff for my own sake, and it's nice to have all you along for the journey. Anyway, thank you for watching.